What's going on, guys? I hope everyone's having a great night. It's a great night in Tennessee, and it is Tuesday, so it's another Speedmaster Tuesdays. Stay tuned. We'll take a look at a new one. Be right back. Alright guys, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Paul. This is my channel, Wristwatch Addiction. I appreciate you stopping by. I do have a podcast. I do have an Instagram. I will have links for those guys below. And every Tuesday, or at least most Tuesdays, I'm trying to take a look at another Speedmaster variant. And God knows there's a lot of them. So we've got a lot of Tuesdays to come. Today we're going to look at the Speedmaster Professional MoonWatch, the modern variant. And since everyone kind of knows that watch, I thought I'd do things a little different. I thought I'd give you guys an unboxing of my personal MoonWatch. You guys have actually seen my personal MoonWatch, as it is the Speedmaster in the Speedmaster Tuesdays new series tag here. I used it for the preview, but we haven't done a proper unboxing. We haven't done a proper introduction. So that's what I'm going to do today. And I do have a complete set. You can see the outer cardboard box with its piece reference 6314, and that is the reference number for the display case, not the watch itself. The watch itself is going to be a 3670.50.00, or as Omega likes to call it, the 311-3042-3001-005. But we're not going to do that. We're going to call it the 3670.50 because, my God, that's just easier, isn't it? So, as you can see on the inner box, we have the old style display box from Omega. This one, the 9410-6314 outer case and inner case. The inner case being a large suitcase. You still get one of these, but a much smaller version these days on the 2022 model. And here we have our pictogram card on top and our international warranty card on the bottom. Once again, all complete sets, and a really nice little display folder for them in sort of a suede material, which is really, really cool. And then to the right, we have your manufacturer operating instruction manual. The first 10 to 20 pages in one language, and then following are all the languages of the world. So not as thick as it looks, but still quite a lot to deal with. A lot of people miss this. Under the outer suitcase, you have a few little booklets. So starting with the first one, this is changing instructions for the leather strap or NATO straps. And those go to about here. And then you can see the upside down display. Why is that upside down? Well, because the back is the changing instructions for the metal bracelet. So you've got two different changing instructions in one booklet. Kind of cool how they did that there. Pretty simple, but definitely if you don't know how to do it, read that first so you don't destroy your watch. And then secondly, we have this historical booklet talking about the history of Omega within the moon missions and the history of the Speedmaster. So really cool, but we're going to put these guys back and check out the rest of this product. So moving the outer case out of the way and moving the travel suitcase in, made like one of the suitcases that would have been aboard the Mercury missions, the Apollo missions, and going forward to other missions. Really cool. You've got these little release springs here on the on the buckles. So we open it up, you can see quite a large case with the Speedmaster in the center, and I've got a lot of glare on it. So let me fix that. Okay, so no glare now. You can see it is the Hesselite version. We will get to it, but let's look at what you get in the box, starting with this little paperweight. Basically, it's your seahorse, your hippocampus, and then we have our magnifier in this little display to the left, and you can see the bezel on this magnifier is a Speedmaster bezel, so really cool there. And for those that don't know the purpose of the hippocampus, originally the Speedmaster was part of, while we look at the original spring bars from Omega, it was part of the Seamaster line, the waterproof line. So that's why they have the hippocampus. Not very waterproof, but this was 1957 when it came out. And you can see the Moon Mission Velcro strap there, as well as the Speedmaster NATO, the Omega NATO that is still packaged. Both of these are unopened pieces, so it's basically a new piece, guys. And then your changing tool in its original case, still with its rubber on the tip. So I bought this pre-owned from a friend who bought it pre-owned from someone who had just purchased it, and yeah, it's basically unworn. We have the hang tag with all the reference numbers and everything. So again, like I said, absolutely complete set. I think it works really good with my Mark II, and we're going to talk about the differences in those Mark II movements and stuff like that here in a second. But taking a look, you do have the Speedmaster Professional older clasp. Let's take it outside and take a look in better light. So outside in better light, you have the beautiful caliber 1861. This is the successor of the 861 that's in my 1972 Mark II, as well as many of the older Speedmasters. The 321 was the original, followed by the 861, followed by the 1861, and now they've replaced that once again. No scratches or dings anywhere on this piece. You can see the NASA closed case back on the back. I did opt for the Hesselite Crystal, which has the enclosed movement, no display case back here. But you still have the same manual wind, the same 48-hour power reserve, the same 42 millimeter outer case with 20 millimeter lug width. So it is a strap monster, guys. It will fit so many cool straps, and everything looks good on that black and white background. The case thickness is just 14 millimeters for this Hesselite version, and it is the Hesselite Crystal. So I recommend, if you pick one of these up, also pick up a bottle of POLYWATCH. You can see that sort of Hesselite deform as the light bounces off of it. Just really, really cool as we throw it on the wrist here. And you can see on my 6 3/4 wrist that 42 millimeter case fits just perfect. The old strap, which does not taper, looks really, really good on my wrist. I do like the new bracelets. I have been told that they will fit these new or these older cases, so I am definitely going to look into that. But yeah, absolutely love this watch. I hadn't planned on picking up a MoonWatch anytime soon, but as prices began to skyrocket, I decided it's probably a good idea to get in there now. And I would suggest you guys do the same, whether it's an older model, whether it's a newer model like this one, or whether it's a brand new one from your AD with the new dial and new bracelet. The MoonWatch is just a classic. It's instantly identifiable, and I really think the MoonSwatch releases gave sort of a fresh air to this watch. More people are looking at it. More people are sort of desiring it. And I feel like it might have been a mistake for me to not pick one up for so long. At any rate, guys, I know you guys don't want a 30-minute video talking about one watch, so I'm gonna put a hold on the comparison between the Speedmaster Professional and the Mark II like I had planned. If you guys want to see that, let me know in the comments below. I do have both of them. Let's take a look at some of these photos from the owner I purchased it from, Tim over at Wrist Gaming. Definitely go follow him for some fantastic photos of the Speedmaster as well as Rolex, as well as a ton of other watches. But at any rate, guys, we're coming up on like 13 minutes, so I just want to tell you I appreciate you. I thank you so much for stopping by each and every week. If you're not subscribed, think about doing so, and I appreciate you guys for staying till the end of these videos. It does mean a lot, and it is why I do them. So until next time, guys, peace.
Yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration, and if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.